Ramadan Mubarak to you all. Welcome back for another delicious recipe. Today we'll be making Persian kebabs under 15 minutes. Let's get started. In a bowl, add in your ground chicken and follow with oil, grated onion, ginger paste, garlic paste, crushed red chili, salt, turmeric powder, black pepper, garam masala, cornstarch powder, and combine thoroughly. Next, on medium heat, put the ground chicken in the pan. Pour oil around the kebab and cover it with a lid for 5 to 6 minutes on medium-high heat. Next, using a spatula, you want to form even slices and get ready to flip them onto the other side. Cook the other side for an additional 5 to 6 minutes. Serve this with your favorite rice, pita bread, and veggies. We hope you enjoyed this simple yet delicious recipe. It's the perfect Ramadan meal. Thanks for watching, and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays for new recipes. Make sure to also follow us on Facebook.